That's easy. Yes, sir. Sunshine, you give the flowers plenty water when I'm.
Hey everybody. Frequently I get asked what I use on my skin, and a lot of people don't know that I make my own skincare products. All organic and all natural, okay? So currently I am using the turmeric mask on my skin. I had a lot of dark marks and acne scars from picking at my face, and I wanted to even out my skin tone from the sun because we all get tans, okay? So first and foremost, I'm going to show you how to apply it, and I'm going to also show you how you can purchase it from me, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. So I've been using the turmeric mask for about 3 or 4 years, and I just started consistently using it this year. I also had to change my diet as well, stop eating so much fried foods because that does affect your skin as well, and start being more hydrated with water and eating more greens and veggies and stuff like that. So that does contribute to your skin as well. So the first thing that you're going to do is get you a warm towel to open up your pores. And this is the towel that I use for my turmeric mask already. So when you open up your pores, you're basically preparing your face for dirt to be removed easily. So after that, now I know a lot of people say that alcohol is very, tough for their skin, or it may irritate their skin, but baby, I need all 91% of this, okay? Because I have oily skin, and this is the only thing that works on my skin, which hazel does not work for me. So the alcohol gets off any excess dirt that you may have. And I don't like a dirty neck, so I'm gonna get my neck too, okay? Do this every time. You're gonna get your mask applicator brush. These are sold separately, but I promise you they make your process so much easier. It distributes everything properly the way it's supposed to. And look how creamy it is. Can y'all see that? Oh wait, it's not focusing. Who cares? Okay, so let's pull this up. Wait a minute, let me get right. Boom, hello. All right, so the first thing that you're gonna do is just apply. Alrighty, so while this drying, I can talk to you guys. All right, so
nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know.
Alright, so while this dries on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys on how long to leave it on and how I do my process. Usually, I do this before I get in the shower because it's so much easier to wash off in the shower. If you don't get in the shower, make sure that you wash it off with cool water. Cool water just closes your pores so that it can lock in the moisture, and whatever you put back on your face for hydration, it will lock that in for you to prepare yourself to go outside and go on about your day, okay? So you'll be able to purchase my mask applicator and my turmeric mask on the link below in the description box, and make sure you subscribe while you're there so you can be notified every time I drop a video, so you won't miss any new discount deals or any new products that I may be releasing on my website. For each turmeric mask, you're going to leave it on for at least 5 minutes. You can wash it off within 5 minutes, but also be aware that the longer that you leave it on, the more effective it is. Also, keep your turmeric mask refrigerated. Keep it in the refrigerator for the best results, okay? Now Now we're waiting for it to dry. So now that it's dry, I want to show you guys the process on how to take it off or how to wash it off, okay? So this is what it looks like when it's dry. It's gonna be just like this, nothing coming off, okay? There we go. All right, so this is why I wash it off in the shower, because this is a process that you're supposed to do when you're taking it off. It becomes a scrub basically, okay? So let me get my towel. Get your towel and do these. That's how you know if it's dry. If it does this, it's dry. On my nose, it's not dry. And so whatever you can't wipe off, that's what you go wash off. And so I'm gonna go wash the rest of this off, and then I'm gonna be right back with the rest of the process, okay? So I just got done washing off my turmeric mask. What do you mean? Not in my nose. Hold up. Anyway, just got done washing off my turmeric mask, and when you wash it off, do not scrub your face. Pat it dry. Pat it, okay? Okay. No, I ain't pooped. That was my foot. Okay, so the last and next process is called aftercare. This is what you do after you take off the mask, after you wash off the mask, okay? So I'm going to give you two options. This is vitamin C serum. This is what I use during the daytime for my skin because I know I'm going to be outside. So it's kind of like more of a sunblock too. And I have oily skin, so and this serum is very, very, very light. So since it's the daytime, you can either put it on your fingers this way and rub it, but you don't want to cross-contaminate. So you can do it like this as well. And just drop it on there and rub it in. And baby, we can go about our day. Not with this type of shirt though. We gotta change clothes, but we can go about our day now. Our skin clean, we good, fam. You know. And I want y'all skin to be looking so good, you know. All right, so I'm gonna go through everything step by step once again. So this is the mask applicator brush. I use this because so I won't have to use my hands. It even distributes the turmeric mask very well and it's very smooth on your skin. And if you do not purchase the mask applicator with the mask, you can use your hands, but make sure, please make sure that you wash your hands before you put your hands on your face. Okay, so this is my turmeric mask container. It comes in 4-ounce container for right now. It will have its own specific label on there so you'll know what it is when you get it. It will also have a QR code on there showing you step-by-step tutorial, bring you back to this video on how to do it. When you purchase a turmeric mask, you leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. I left it on for the full 10 minutes until it dried because I like to get the full effect of my mask. But if you're in a rush or whatever, just leave it on for at least 5 minutes and wash it off with cool water. You can also wash it off in the shower. Yes, you can use it on your neck area because I know a lot of people, some people have neck acne and chest acne. It's also safe for your private areas for preventing ingrown hairs and lighting up that area as well. For real, for real. Okay, so I want you guys to also know that I am very open to seeing your before and after pictures, and with your consent, I would love to post them on my website, my YouTube channel, any of my social media accounts, which is also where you can contact me for any questions that you may have, or you can leave comments down below under my YouTube channel under this video if you have any questions on how to order, on how to apply. Each of the steps and instructions will also be in the description box below, so if you don't really fully get it in this video, it'll be typed up step by step, 1 through whatever, okay? So just make sure use it consistently for a week, twice a day. You can do it 3 times a day if you prefer. So twice a day for a week. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. It is easier to wash it off in the shower. And if you do leave it on for 5 minutes and you do not get in the shower, wash it off with cool water. If you do not purchase a brush, make sure that you wash your hands before you put the mask on your face. Okay? And once again, like I said, if you have any questions, always feel free to ask me. I'm very open to questions, and I'm very open to before and after pictures in your journey. I would love to see how y'all skin glow. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Okay, so website link will be down in the description box below as well. You'll be able to click on it and order my mask and my lip scrub at your own convenience from now on. Okay, have a great day. Thank you guys for watching.